So all that needs to be done is
Mm-hmm.
you just need to get into rhythm with the universe.
Mm-hmm.
This fight and flight, this sweaty palms, this boiling of the skin, this is not in harmony with the universe.
Mm-hmm.
We can practice so that you can become more aware of your energetic body, your energetic field. And when you're in this cocoon, this beautiful held space of the universe, it's stronger than the little nigglings of whatever the voice is saying. This is what we need to get into rhythm with the universe, not get into rhythm
Mm-hmm.
of everybody's emotion. You feel like, you know that you're the light, you're with God, and you go into these kind of fake environments and you feel and the is it this type of thing? So
Yeah.
from this moment forward, let's make a
Mm-hmm.
vow that,
Mm-hmm.
you stay in your light. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you stay in your light. You
Mm-hmm.
take care of yourself. You
Mm-hmm.
take care of your chest and your stomach and your head and your skin, and you stay with yourself. You stay with your
Mm-hmm.
lungs and your heart. You
Mm-hmm.
stay with yourself. The level of interaction that they're doing and the things that they're doing, it's not you, and you need to not play with it. You
Mm-hmm.
need to stay with you. If you keep your attention here with you, you're going to
Mm-hmm.
nurture it. Where the mind goes, the energy flows. If
Mm-hmm.
if your mind's going to this junk, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's not nurturing you. And
Mm-hmm.
when you walk, you're light. You are light. Like really, quantum physics proves that we are light. Everything is light. And the level that I work on with Zhineng Qigong is before the energy divides up into objects. So we call that Huan Yuan Ling Tung. It's like the before things become yin and yang, this and that, before they have all different information that makes a chair different to a table, different to a bird, different to the sky. So on this level where everything's even and pure, where our thoughts intention can make things into things, this is the level here.
Mm-hmm.
So when we stay in this level, we're really choosing what intentions, what mental things going on in the environment am I going to connect to, and what things am I going to say, no, I love myself. I am not going to connect to that.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you need to take ownership, mastership. This is my holy temple, and I am not going to connect to anything that is not the light. I know how to smile and be polite and remain the light and do the task at hand and, you know, really come to, you said, you weren't feeling comfortable in your body. So we'll help you feel your inner space again, feel it and love it again, and continually condition it and bring its foundation up with the information. So when we come into a very calm, relaxed state and we're doing slow movements and everything's settling down, then we start putting the information in, the intentions.
Mm-hmm.
So something, for example, the spoon, it might be hard, but we're saying soft, soft, soft. So we're changing, we're transforming. The body might be like this, but we're saying
Mm-hmm.
calm, calm. I love you. You are wonderful. You are the
Mm-hmm.
light. I respect God. I'm not going to go off with this nonsense. Pretend you've got all these scared little children. What are you going to do? You're going to be very strong. You're not going to be one of
Mm-hmm.
them because they're looking
Mm-hmm.
up to you. So
Mm-hmm.
you need to be that strong mastership for this girl that's sweating and listening to the thoughts of other people and taking them all on and connecting with them. You say to her, no, 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 no. You are good.
Mm-hmm.
You are here.
Mm-hmm.
You are not
Yeah.
going to do this. Have you ever felt yourself doing that? Have you ever felt yourself go, stop it? Stop
Mm-hmm.
connecting with all of this. We'll do a
Mm-hmm.
10-minute practice together. And I'll get
Okay.
you to the point of doing it. First, we'll use our hands and things, but I'll get you to the point of doing it where you're just doing it with your mind and you're doing it all
Mm-hmm.
the time, anywhere, and it becomes your new baseline. So it becomes stronger than the tension.